Today, I spent a lot of money to buy a multi-hole vacuum sucker. Now I just installed it for flying noodles. Now I'm sticking the rubber strip and stick it to the hole. The purpose of applying the rubber strip is to increase suction. So when attaching the vacuum suction cup, we must fly a knife to maintain flatness. For better flatness, we also cut the rubber strip. Let's first see how the manufacturer's drawings are assembled. There are 2 negative pressure ones and 2 positive pressure. The positive pressure is for blowing air, and negative pressure is connected to the vacuum pump. Because it's the first time to use, we installed the workpiece, and then we calibrate the flatness of the workpiece. Connect to the negative pressure. Then let's take a look at the negative pressure. See the negative pressure? Negative pressure is connected here. 2 positive pressures are connected inside. Positive pressure blows air upwards. After each issue, blow it to remove the dust. Negative pressure is to use the vacuum pump suction. It's like a stream of love. I can't. The boss is in the middle. How to make this limit? Actually, we can follow its whole positions. Just roughly. Because we don't need to measure. Because our sheet material is basically the same. 3 mm larger on one side. Let's see if it will fail on site. Because this one. See, there's a little unevenness here. Let's see if it can hold. Let's start the negative pressure. Okay. It's ready. It's been placed now. Don't go away. Let's see if it will fail. If it doesn't fail, we will add another process. It's been placed now. It's too slow. I'm not leaving. Turn it off and the air pressure will drop. This is too slow. Let's deflate it. You see, it's ed right away. The most direct way. It's already a perfect success. The material is wrong. It didn't fail. We left about 7 or 8 threads at the bottom. About 10. It's about 10 thousandths. It fell off quite successfully. But this material is relatively large. Let's try a smaller one in a few days. A smaller one. Douyin.